Of course, it's a great innovation. We are deploying to insurance companies, car buyers, and car owners in Nigeria. And then there is the SDG 16, which has to do with strong institutions and access to data. Of course, we are democratizing data, and that means that everybody can tell with a high level of certainty if the vehicle they're about to purchase has been stolen from someone else or not, the condition of that vehicle, are they getting value for money? And this is only what strong institutions and access to data can provide. So out of about 1,000 startups in Africa, we were lucky and privileged, because it's a privilege, to be chosen. So if that doesn't make us feel special, I wonder what will. So we feel really, really special. This is a validation also that we are solving a really important problem. Now, the FAST experience has been awesome. From the one-on-one sessions, that's what I enjoy most, and then the master classes, and of course the AI component I was talking about. Now, this wouldn't have been possible without Flapmax and Microsoft, because we do not have the capability. That's just the truth. We knew what we wanted to build, but we can't build it. But then, luckily for us, FAST Accelerator came in with Flapmax and Microsoft, and boom, we have the capability. So it's it's one of those advantages of working with a partner like Flapmax and FAST Accelerator. It's one of the things that an accelerator like FAST Accelerator helps you do. It takes you beyond borders, right? So it has taken us from where we are now to the next level. We are talking about LegitCar 2.0 now because FAST Accelerator came in.
So you would say that the FAST program has been the wings which you have used to fly across Africa and to the whole world?
Absolutely, absolutely.
I think we should trademark this. We need to trademark this.
Absolutely.
Thank you.